Hello, welcome to Brain Brusher, your own e-learning class. In today's class, we are going to learn Ansoff Product Market Growth Matrix. Ansoff Product Market Growth Matrix is 2 by 2 matrix in which x-axis represents the product and the y-axis represents the market. Ansoff Product Market Growth Matrix is a useful tool that helps business decide their product and market growth strategy. With the use of this matrix, a business can get a fair idea about how its growth depends upon its markets in the new or existing product in both new and existing markets. Companies should always be looking to the future. One useful device for identifying growth opportunities for the future is the product market expansion grid. First is market penetration. Market penetration under is existing product are selling in the existing market. Under this is the growth strategy where the firms are selling their existing product in the existing market to their current customers. In this strategy, firms are selling their product through more advertising or direct marketing. It is achieved by making more sales to present customers without changing product in any major way. Penetration might require greater spending on advertising or personal selling. Overcoming competition in a future market require an aggressive promotional campaign. Second is market development. Under market development, existing product selling in the new market. In this strategy, firms are enter the new market with their existing product. So, the market development means the same product are sold by the firm in the new market. It is a strategy for company growth by identifying and developing a new market for current company product. This strategy may be achieved through the new geographical market, the product dimension or packaging, new distribution channel or different price policies to attract different customers or create new market segments. The third one is product development. Under product development, new product are offered in the existing market. In this strategy, firms are offering their new product in the existing customers. So we can say existing market and new product, or we can say the same size of the customers, firm offering their new product. This is known as a product development. It is a strategy for company growth by offering modified or new product to current market. This strategy may require the development of new competencies and require the business to develop modified product which can appeal to existing market. So we can say in this market the new product and existing market, that is a product development. The fourth one is diversification. Under the diversification strategy, firms are offering the new product in the new market. This is very risky strategy because in this strategy, firms are entering the new market which is absolutely new kind of the market where firms are offering their new product in new market. The diversification refer to the growth strategy where a business market new product in new market. It is strategy by starting up to acquiring business outside the company's current product and market. This strategy is risky because it does not rely on either the company's successful product or its position in established market. Typically, the business is moving into market in which it has little or no experience. So in this video, we learn about the Ansoff Product Market Growth Matrix. Just recall, Ansoff Product Market Growth Matrix is 2x2 matrix where the existing product, new product and existing market and new market. Market penetration means existing product offer in the existing market. Market development, existing product, new market. Product development, new product, existing market. And diversification, new product and new market. I hope this is very helpful for you. If you are new in this channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.